Well, passport can be taken as a KYC. Passport.
Passport.
Think and
Yes. Okay.
What do you think? What are the roles and responsibility? How they are going to be different from a bank PO, or is this going to be? What do you think around?
Could have from the normal banking job could be that it's a more regional role.
Recently, RBI decreases the repo rate
Yes.
by 50 basis point.
Yes.
So, how it is going to impact customers? If you want to explain to a customer that
I don't kind of try to shoo them away that aap jaiye, it'll take me, you come tomorrow. I just tell them that this is the
What is India's GDP?
the current rate. I'm not sure. I'll have to.
Tell me, what is Operation Sindoor and what is Operation Sindhu?
What is Operation Sindoor and what?
Can you tell me what is CBO and what are the benefits of becoming CBO?
Sure. It says
Tell me how we attract customers in
Okay.
banking. In offline banking,
Yes.
the customer visits bank,
Yes.
right? He has come to your counter
Hmm.
and you are busy.
Okay.
It will take say 7 to 8 minutes to complete that job,
Yes.
and that person is standing.
Yes.
How you will manage?
I think I understand your question because when there is a queue or people are standing, there is pressure on your head. It's my duty to how I do it. I just tell the customer.
Can you tell me latest two international events? We are on which number now?
I'm sorry. I'll have to read up on that.
Shikha, please introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, you all. My name is Shikha Tayal. I belong to Hisar, Haryana. My family lives there. We are a family of 5 people. I have 2 siblings. Education-wise, I have done BCom Honours from Sri Ram College of Commerce, and I've done Masters, MCom, and UGC NET. I have a total of about 5 years of experience in banking. Currently, I'm with Indian Bank. I've been working here for the past 5 years, and I'm currently posted in Gurgaon.
You have done MCom also.
Yes.
Which college?
I've done it from University of Delhi, Open School.
Open school.
Yes.
Okay. So afterwards you joined
Uh,
Indian Bank.
yes, I was into teaching for 2 years after my MCom, and post that I started my preparation for the government exams, and I joined Indian Bank as a Skill 1 officer.
Okay. So now you have opted for CBO
Yes.
course in SBI.
Yes.
Can you tell me what is CBO and what are the benefits of becoming CBO?
Sure. So CBO is basically, it stands for Circle Based Officer. So I think the most benefit that I see in becoming a CBO is the kind of stability it provides in terms of the location. I think that's a primary reason for me to consider this. So I think at this point of time in my life, I'm looking for that sort of stability. My current bank also gave me a very good exposure, and I got enough opportunities to learn. So I think at this phase of life, I want to pursue this thing as more important in my life.
So in Indian Bank, what are the seats you have worked?
Sir, I got a chance to work at different places. I've also worked in branch banking. I have also worked in credit. So I've worked in regional offices also, and branches also as a credit officer.
So within 5 years you have
Yes, I got a chance
in
to.
so many places.
Yes.
Good.
That's how banking is.
Okay. Shikha, can you name any 2 dignitaries who have passed out from SRCC?
Sir, we have Rajat Sharma, who has passed out from SRCC, and Arun Jaitley, sir. he has also passed out from SRCC. He was also there during my time at SRCC. He was there as a speaker.
Okay. Good. So you are both MCom, BCom
Yes.
honors,
Yes.
and what else? Third one,
UGC NET.
UGC. That. It means you are interested in teaching also.
Yes, teaching has been my area of interest, sir. But I think after coming into banking, I mean, my teaching was also into the banking subjects only. So after coming into the banking segment, I realized that this was a job of my area and interest, and somehow the educational qualifications that have also supported me a lot in banking. Coming from a commerce background, it provides me a routine structure, and I like it here as. I like the job profile.
Okay. So your basics are very strong. I need not ask any question on your subjects. Tell me how we attract customers in banking,
Okay.
like purely savings or deposit customers.
Okay.
Because the reason being, all banks are having, government banks particularly,
Hmm.
are having same rate of interest mostly,
Right.
and there is a lot of competition.
Yes.
So how you will attract customers?
Sir, I think from my perspective, what helps a bank in standing out from other banks would be, I think, the customer service. I think that is one thing which a lot of people have concerns about. There are a lot of people who are ready to pay even some extra, let's say 0.25% extra ROI or to compromise on a rate of interest, but they want a good service. So I think a good service is the key element that I would consider to attract the customers. And then I can also, ask my customers only. One customer brings another customer. So it's kind of a chain.
So your emphasis is on customer service.
Yes.
Can I know what is good customer service? Any definition? Simple definition.
I don't know any bookish definition, but through my experience, I think I can say what matters most to the customer nowadays is timely service. I think everybody is in that race where they're like, I don't have time, ma'am, mujhe ghar jana hai, I have so many things to do. This is the day I've taken off. So I think timely service is very important. And I think another part that the customers are really looking forward to nowadays is they also want a lot of service through emails and basically online services. So they don't want door-to-door service and they don't want to visit the bank.
More particularly in offline banking,
Yes.
the customer visits bank,
Yes.
right? He has come to your counter and you are busy.
Okay.
It will take say 7 to 8 minutes to complete that job,
Yes.
and that person is standing.
Yes.
How you will manage?
I think I understand your question because when there is a queue or people are standing, there is pressure on your head.
They will not be queue sometimes, but still you are busy.
Yeah, still.
Internal work. It happens sometimes.
Yes, I agree.
Yeah.
I think in that case, it's my duty to, how I do it, I just tell the customer what is the work, how much time it's going to take. I don't kind of try to shoo them away that, aap jaiye, it'll take me, you come tomorrow. I just tell them that this is the work and it's going to take this much time. So, or maybe if I'll just ask my sub-staff to help them with the seatings and also that.
Normally, in my experience, you have to simply acknowledge him first.
Okay.
He has come to your branch,
Yes.
either with eyes or please have a seat.
Right.
If sofa is there or something.
Right.
Is there. So it will take 7 minutes.
Right.
I'll attend to it.
Right.
I think that's a better way of
No,
tackling it.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, I agree.
So,
Shikha, can you tell me latest two international events?
I think the major highlights have been PM Modi's visits to different countries. I think he was on a leg of visits to 3 countries, Croatia, Canada, and there was one more country I'm unable. Yes. So PM Modi has visited these countries for bilateral ties. So this is.
But his major visit was which country or out of these 3 countries? Main. He going to attend some summit also, no?
Okay. I think it was with Canada. The major visit was with Canada.
Which summit was that?
I think it was I'm not sure.
G7
G7 summit.
G7
summit. Yeah.
Have you heard about G7?
Yes, it's a group of 7 countries which have come together, and it includes UK, US, Japan, Canada, Italy,
Okay.
and Germany.
Okay. And what is the other event?
Any other event?
This war is going on, no? That is not.
Yes, that is going on. So yes, the war is going on. So basically, Iran war is going on, and
Iran
that
and-
is Iran and Israel. So
Achha.
that is for one country's perception of the another on different things, arsenal, weaponal things. One country perceives other country to be having. So that's the ongoing war.
Now, what is the main reason of this war? Any idea?
I think territorial spaces are also.
Not territorial. This atom bomb and all those things, have you heard?
I-
Iran is going to be
Yes.
atomic power.
Yes,
Israel-
yes.
Israel,
Yeah, this
Israel
is
doesn't
a-
want to be atomic power. So that's why this war is. And what is the latest development? Today's development, any idea?
I'm sorry, I'm not. read
US
on-
has come in the war today morning and they have bombarded this atom bomb sites.
Okay,
This is the latest development.
okay. I'll read more on that.
Yeah, this is the general thing. What is India's GDP?
The current rate, I'm not sure. I'll have to.
What is our position in the world? We are on which number now?
I'm sorry. I'll have to read up on that.
Achha, we are on the 4th now.
Okay.
In another 1 year, we are going to be 3rd biggest economy of the world. We are at 4th number.
Okay.
And our GDP is 4.32 trillion.
Okay.
Okay. We have recently surpassed Japan. Earlier
Okay.
Japan was 4, we were 5. Now we have become 4th.
Okay.
Okay. What do you understand by KYC in banking?
So KYC is basically know your customer. That is the full form of KYC.
Why banks take KYC?
It helps us in understanding the basic biodata of a customer, the credentials of a customer. Basically, Aadhaar and PAN are the primary KYC. It helps us in establishing the customer's address proof identity. So that helps bank in establishing the credentials of any entity or a person.
Does it help in preventing frauds also?
Yes, it does help in preventing frauds also.
Okay.
Shikha,
Yes.
again, well, passport can be taken as a KYC.
Passport.
Think and
Yes. Okay. I did come across a case, but I'm just
Achha,
not able
tell
to.
me, for passport, what are the documents being checked or taken?
Um,
Have you got passport?
yeah,
What are the documents taken?
I got it made a couple of years ago, so I'm not. I think they require mark sheets. That's
No. What they will do in March?
no, they require the mark sheets. That is
That is only birth certificate, like
okay,
12th certificate or 10th.
okay.
It is the most strongest document, you know.
Yes,
Aadhaar and
these are still like
others are very small documents.
yeah.
Passport is the most important and most strongest document for which you have to submit your Aadhaar or other things and address proof.
Right,
Right?
right.
Since you have already worked in bank, I'll ask you one more question.
Sure.
Tell me, what is Operation Sindoor and what is Operation Sindhu?
What is Operation Sindhu and what is Operation?
Sindhu.
Very
Okay.
recent.
Operation Sindoor, I know it's about the attack in Kashmir that was done on the tourists. It was a retaliatory action by the Indian government on the Pakistani troops. That was Operation Sindoor. Operation Sindhu.
These days it was
2 days back. Yesterday
Okay.
also. Operation Sindhu.
Some of the students were brought from some country where this war is going on,
Yes.
and our Indigo flights are gone and brought them.
Yes. I did.
That was the question.
From Israel and Iran, we repatriated
Yes.
our students from there under Operation Sindhu.
Okay. So,
Okay, Shikha. So, for the CBO, circle-based officer, what do you think? What are the roles and responsibility? How they are going to be different from a bank PO, or is this going to be same? What do you think around it?
Okay. Sir, I think it's one difference that it could have from the normal banking job could be that it's a more regional role as compared to banking, wherein you could be working at different branches also, but it's a more regional role. So it will be more like a regional office or a headquarter based role rather than being purely in the ground at the ground level. That's my understanding of it.
Okay. So, what do you think as a bank officer? What are the qualities required in a candidate? And do you feel that you have although you are working as an officer, but
Right.
for
Right.
SBI CBO position,
Right.
what are the qualities required? And do you feel that you have the qualities of SBI CBO?
Right. Sir, I think to be a good bank officer, I think one major requirement you have is that all times you should know that you're representing your bank. So you have to act in a way that you reflect the right information to the customers, whoever you meet. You have all the right resources and the knowledge required to serve the bank. And second is, I think you need, one is like you have to be updated with everything under the banking regulations. Second, I think it's very important for you to have the willingness to learn things, because there's something new every day that you have to learn on the ground. And I think in my experience of banking, I have been able to do that. And I'm hopeful and confident that I'll be able to do the same in the CBO.
Okay. One last question. Recently, RBI decreases the repo rate
Yes.
by 50 basis point.
Yes.
So, how it is going to impact customers? If you want to explain to a customer that RBI decreases the repo rate, and this is how the loans are going to impact you. So, in which manner they will impact?
So, whenever we are lending to any customer, so when we talk about the rates of loans in the market, they are linked to the repo rate. So, it's a repo rate plus some margin by the bank that every individual bank decides on top of the repo rate spread. So, if the repo rate is reduced, the floating rate of the bank is also going to be reduced. So, the benefit will also be passed on to the customers in the form of lower rate of interest for any loan facilities that they might want to take.
Okay. Have you got any discussion with a customer who took the banking facility from private bank? Because usually private banks take time or try to not pass the complete profit to the customers by delaying it. Have you got any type of discussion in your past experience?
I think the most thing that I've heard from people why they want to take facilities from public sector banks is, I think one is a lot of customers are concerned about the prepayment charges that private banks charge, which is not the case with PSUs. And in terms of processing charges and all, and the penalty charges are also higher as compared to PSUs. So I think that is the preference area that is a major contributor.
Transparency in public sector.
Yes.
Mainly
Transparency.
Okay, Shikha, done. Sir, feedback.
What shall I say? She's selected.
Yes, you have done very good.
Yeah, good
very
knowledge.
great actually. Overall conversation looks very fine. Almost things are on the place. Just you need to update a little bit knowledge about SBI also, because there will be questions regarding SBI profitability, net NPA, gross NPA of SBI.
Okay.
So regarding SBI also, just go through it a little bit deeper into the concept. Remaining everything is fine.
And the role is same, what you are doing now.
Yeah.
Only thing is transferability aspect.
Okay.
That is little bit
That is-
restricted to that particular, say, district or state or whatever.
Correct.
Okay.
That is the only difference. Otherwise, same way
Everything
you will
is-
transfer to branches, same
Hmm.
way.
Achha, okay, that is
Everything will
Everything
be
will be same.
okay. All right.
It is just because these days what happens, those, suppose I am Delhi, I am sent to Bangalore. I am not able to speak
Right.
Kannada.
Right.
So there is hesitation amongst officers also and from customers also.
Right.
They don't want to be free with you because you don't know Kannada.
Yes.
They will be
Yes.
speaking only in, you'll be speaking only in either Hindi or English. Sometimes customers are not comfortable.
Correct.
So that is why this new arrangement is evolved. So let us select local officers.
Okay.
It will, both way it is beneficial.
Okay.
To bank also and to staff
Customer
also,
also,
and
staff
to
also.
public also.
Right.
Right?
Okay, Shikha.
Wish you all the best.
All the
All right.
best.
Thank you so much.